Hello dear student, welcome everybody. Now in today's class we are going to discuss another very fine lesson that is come under unit 4. The title of the unit 4 is gender roles. Here gender roles means sex role, female roles and male roles. Our first lesson is sex role. Here sex role refer to the role of male and the role of females. How the roles of male and females are determined. Are the roles determined biologically or naturally or culturally? Here the writers have discussed in this article. Sex roles is an interesting article. It was written by Hamilton, McCubbin and Barbara. So the writers were the former professor at the University of Minnesota. In this article, the authors explore the biological, cultural and social origin of sex roles. It discusses on the following issues. Some questions are there. Are the female fairly the second sex? Does our society put equal value on both the sexes or not? Are the sex roles determined biologically or culturally? The sex role, the role of males and females are determined biologically, naturally or culturally. By nature or nurture. There is a saying nature versus nurture. So here the writer has been discussed about the role of male and female in this article. While describing this, the writers have just justified that the sex roles have biological as well as cultural roots. The writer they said here, in the process of development of culture, society plays a key role and the child learns the destination of the sex roles from his elders. Whatever the things elder person they say, they did, then the younger person they copied it. There is a sharing tradition. Whatever the things have done by the elder person, that have been shared to the younger one. However, the feminists are with the hope that if the opportunities are provided to the female equally, the gap between the sex roles will be bridged. So here, that is the idea by culturally, let's say. According to the anthropologists, the sex roles are determined by the culture from the early civilization. The males achieve power and prestige because of their strength, especially the people in the society. They think now male-dominated society. It is a patriarchal society that believe strength and courage of the male. Male have power and courage in comparison to the female. So something to some extent, the role of male and female, the sex roles determined by culturally as well. Here, power and prestige because of their strength and courage, they went for hunting, whereas the female stayed at home nurturing their children in the bygone days in the past. So it shows that the role of the male and females are determined especially culturally here. Okay, the writer has been discussed. So now students, then we have here a summary section. So in the summary section we see sex roles. That is interesting article by this writer. So in this article, the writer has talked about how the sex roles have been determined. Especially these two writers, they focus on the sex roles can be determined biologically or naturally or culturally. Most of the anthropologists, they believe that sex roles are determined by culturally. Whatever the norms and values made in the society, that is happened due to culture. The writers they believe that. Then we go here the causes of sex role, biological or cultural. Especially in biological evidence, we see male and females they have different genetics. That is androgen, estrogen. There is a visual skills and verbal skill. One more thing, there is a XY chromosome in male and XX chromosome in female. It shows that there is some biological evidence as well. The determination of the role of male and female, there is a biological evidence about male and female. And on the other side, especially some of the writers believe also, they believe that the roles can be determined culturally as well. The culture are rule based in the society. Whatever the norms, whatever the traditions that have been made in a society, that come under culture. Especially in culture, here is an anthropological evidence. According to the anthropologists, the sex roles are determined by the culture from the early civilization. The males achieve power and prestige because of their strength and courage, because they went for hunting, whereas the male stayed at home nurturing their children. Obviously, it shows both of them symbolize the source of food, male earn more power because they disturb the body, especially male resembles the head of the family, and they do whatever the difficulties they appear in their life, whereas women they stay in the house. The role is determined according to in the society. That is anthropological evidence. Here we need to understand there is a biological evidence, that is biologically, there is a anthropological evidence, that is culturally. Okay, in this way, this in this article, the sex roles are determined biological as well as cultural factor. The writers have been discussed. So as a result, the feminine features are developed in the girls, and the masculine feature, feminine means female character, and masculine means male character. We see that is the idea here in this article. Then we have one more question here. Do you think that biological, anthropological, or social factors are most important in determining gender roles? Why? That is the question. Definitely, biological and anthropological social factors, these are the ideas to be discussed here while determining gender roles. Most of the the writers they have discussed. According to the anthropologist, the sex roles are determined by the culture. There is a anthropological evidence. So here, that is the question, and we see here. Okay, Stan. That is all about this article about sex roles. In the sex roles, you have learned about how the sex roles are determined, either biologically or let's say culturally. The writers they have talked both, especially sex roles have been determined in that is biologically and as well as culturally too. The writer have discussed. Students, I hope you got the concept. We are at the end of our class. If you have any confusion, don't forget to ask. Hope to meet you in our next class. See you. Take care.